This video walks you through how to edit Shopify footer. If you are already signed in to Shopify, start from the left-hand menu and select Online Store. Then click Themes to open the Themes page for your store. On that page, find the active theme, then click Customize. This opens the theme editor, where you can make changes and preview them before saving. Once the editor is open, look at the storefront preview in the center of the screen and scroll down to the bottom. The footer is usually at the very end of the page preview, so scrolling all the way down helps you see the section you are about to change. In the left-hand sidebar, click Footer to open the settings for that area. If you want to add new content, click Add Block. Shopify themes can offer different block types, so the exact choices may vary, but common options include menu, text, or image. Select the block type you want to place in the footer. After the block is added, click that new block in the sidebar so you can edit it. If it is a text block, enter the text you want to appear. If it is a menu block, choose the navigation menu you want displayed in the footer. If your theme includes an image block, you can use that option where available. After adding and editing the block content, go back to the main footer settings. There you can look for the option called Show Payment Icons. Turn that on if you want payment method icons to appear in the footer area of your storefront. For social media links, move out of the footer section and open Theme Settings using the gear icon. In Theme Settings, select Social Media. You will see fields where you can enter the links for the social media accounts you want connected to your store. Add the appropriate links there, then return to the footer section once that part is done. Back in the footer settings, check for any available padding or spacing controls. These settings affect the layout and height of the footer. Adjust them as needed to change how much space appears around the footer content. Small changes here can affect how balanced the section looks in the storefront preview, so review the changes directly in the preview as you adjust them. Take a moment to review the full footer in the storefront preview and make sure each block appears correctly, the spacing looks right, and any payment icons or social links are set the way you want. When everything looks correct, click Save in the theme editor to apply the changes to your store. Thanks for watching. Your Shopify footer is now updated and saved in your active theme.